understand, time for us to understand lean. Yesterday we spoke a lot about Six Sigma. We spoke a lot about the effectiveness. Effectiveness is defect-free products. If you produce defect-free products, your customers will be happy. But can you also make your business equally happy? Your business leaders are very much concerned about your efficiency. If you produce effective product, you produce defect-free product, at the same time, you consume minimum resources. It means you are super efficient. So being super efficient will help you maximize your profit, right? Whether it is Six Sigma or the lean, both will actually help you, save money for the company. At the same time, ensures customer satisfaction. So lean is all about identification and elimination of wasteful activities. Identification and elimination of wasteful activities, right? And see, there are many activities which all of us carry out as part of our work, and some of them are productive and some of them are not productive. Some of them are productive and some of them are not productive. So what is a productive work and what is a not productive work? For example, if I produce defects, or if I produce products with a lot of defects, and producing defects, can you tell me, is it a productive work or an unproductive work? Can I get a response here?
Unproductive.
Unproductive work. When I produce product and that comes with defects, that is called unproductive work. Why do I call it unproductive? Customer is not willing to pay for such activities. Am I right? I produce a defective item and then I can't expect customer to pay for it. When customer is not willing to pay for the work what you are doing, then please understand what you are doing is unproductive. In plain English, you can call it as wasteful work. You can call it as wasteful work, or otherwise you can even call it an useless work, because customer is not willing to respect your work. When customer is not willing to respect your work, please understand what you are doing is a useless job. Stop, stop doing such work. Stop doing such work. This philosophy is called lean philosophy. This philosophy is called lean philosophy. And for example, let us consider another example to understand better on lean. See, some 5-10 years down the line, when we wanted to withdraw, when we wanted to complete a financial transaction, let us say I want to pay money to my house owner. I want to pay rent to my house owner. How did I pay the money? I go to bank, I withdraw the money, and then pay cash to my house owner. So what are the activities involved there? I must take a bike, go to the bank, fill up a challan, stand in the queue, and then collect the cash, and then maybe provide the challan, collect the cash, come back and pay money to the house owner. How much time do you think it might take to complete the task? So 2 hours. All of you are to me. Come on, you can be much more interactive today, because you are not new now. Yesterday you were new and that's fine, but today we have become known people, and you have to be much more interactive today.
Sir, it will take 2 more.
Yeah, it might take 2.5 hours. Very good. But are we really doing the transaction in the same manner today? How do we pay the rent now? Nowadays we just open, do a GPay. Am I right? We do Google Pay, Phone Pay, and then Paytm and all those things. What we have been taking 2 hours, 2.5 hours has now become a matter of clicks. Just 4 buttons I need to press so that my money is paid to you. The work is done. It simply means everything I have done earlier has now become waste. Isn't it? So this is called lean thinking. If a better way of doing a work exists, you must prefer doing it in the better way. No, you must stop doing it in the existing old way. and this is called lean. And now the advantage is the process lead time and cycle time can come down drastically. What you have been doing over a period of 2.5 hours has now reduced to just 2.5 seconds. Lot of reduction in the cycle time. When the cycle time comes down, lead time will come down. When the lead time comes down, you will be able to deliver your products faster. So lean will accelerate your process, will speed up your process, right? And that is the thing. See here, a process from the old state is converted into a future state or a new state after application of lean principles and thinking. What is that lean thinking? We identify all the wasteful activity and then eliminate it. When I identify and eliminate the wasteful activity, elimination of wasteful activity will improve your performance in the useful activity. Am I right? Elimination of wasteful activity will improve your performance on the useful activity. And in order to better understand and see, imagine you are driving a car in a traffic environment like this. You are driving a car in a traffic environment. Tell me, will you be comfortable driving such an environment? Will you be comfortable driving a car in this kind of environment?
No, sir.
Definitely no. Right? And also, when you are driving a car in a traffic environment like this, actually you won't be driving at all. You will be simply running the engine, and then you will be in the same position. And how about the performance of the car? Will you get a higher mileage or a lower mileage when you drive here?
Lower mileage.
The mileage will be very, very low. So that means your performance goes down and your comfort also goes down. What lean is telling, many people think that lean manufacturing and lean is all about cost cutting and elimination of people. No, you are wrong. Lean is not about cost cutting, not just about elimination of people. Lean about simplifying the work and creating the work comfortable to the worker and thereby improving the performance. See here, the same car and same driver. If you imagine, is brought to a highway like this. If you drive your car in a highway environment like this, will your driving comfort improve? Yes or no? Driving comfort
Yes, sir.
will definitely improve. How about the car performance, the mileage? Do you think the mileage will also improve?
Yes, sir.
Definitely.
Yes, sir.
Definitely the mileage will improve. At the same time, work comfort will also improve. So lean is all about simplifying your business process. You simplify your business process, thereby people will produce results effortlessly. This is called lean, right? And see here, the process before lean has contained, process means lot of activities. And some of the activities are green color, some of them are yellow color. The green color are nothing but the value adding activities. You know what are value adding activities? Customer is ready to pay for it. For example, you do machining, you do welding, you do packaging. All of them customer loves. But you produce defects, you store, you keep lot, and you transport the material within your factory too much. These are all the things customer doesn't like. Whatever customer doesn't like, they are non-value adding. All of them are indicated in yellow color. What customer likes are indicated in green color. After lean approach, you see here, a process which was having so much of non-value adding have been eliminated. Now the process has become very thin. And now the new process will require only less time to complete. At the same time, the effectiveness will also be more, right? Removing non-value adding activities from your business process is nothing but lean. By doing so, the outcome from your value adding activities will drastically improve. This approach is called what? Lean approach. There are a lot of lean tools you can learn as a green belt. One is 7 waste. 7 waste is a tool or a word coined by a quality guru called Tai Chi Ono. Right? Quality guru called Tai Chi Ono. According to him, the 7 waste are Wood. Wood means transportation, inventory, motion, waiting, overproduction, overprocessing, and defects. Right? And you can try to eliminate any industry. Definitely these 7 waste will be there. Only thing is you must know what is transportation waste, you must know what is inventory waste, and thereby you can identify and eliminate all this waste. Eliminating these kind of wasteful activities is called a lean project. Some of you can focus on doing a project using lean approach also. 5S is a workplace organizing tool. You neatly arrange the workplace in such a way that it becomes convenient to all the stakeholders, including the employees and customers. And Kaizen is doing small improvement in your workplace. Small improvement projects are called Kaizen. Kaizen is a Japanese word where K stands for change, Gen stands for better. If a better way of doing a work exists, please adopt it. That thinking is called Kaizen. And then tools like SMED and Kanban. SMED means single minute exchange of dice. What does it mean? It is nothing but setup time reduction. If you want to run a machine, then you need to do some settings in the machine. And doing settings, customer point of view is not considered a value adding. And doing settings if the setting process takes longer time, then that will reduce your production rate. So settings have to be simplified, and then you have to be faster. And for example, in the formula race competition, after completing several laps, the tires have to be changed. And can you tell me how much time the formula car team takes to replace all the 4 tires? Do you have any idea? How much time?
26 to 30 seconds.
Come again, 60?
Approximately 30 seconds, sir.
Yeah, approximately 30 seconds. Very good. So within 30 seconds, they change all the 4 tires. The latest record is 1.38 seconds. The latest record is 1.38 seconds. That means the technique they used is nothing but SMED, single minute exchange of dice. Can you use similar tools to make things happen faster? Can you use such techniques to eliminate the non-value adding activities? Because as far as the formula race is concerned, driving the car is the race. Changing the tire is not part of, not actually the productive work. So that has to be minimized. Similarly, tools like Kanban, value stream mapping, and TPM, total productive maintenance, and then 3M. 3M stands for Muda, Mura, and Muri, where Muda means waste. In Japanese language, non-value adding work, wasteful work are called as Muda. So Muda, if found, should be eliminated. How many Mudas are available in any industry? Minimum 7 Mudas. Right? And Mura is unevenness. You know what is unevenness? If you have got 2 machines, and you have an order to produce 1,000 units, you must load the machines equally. Produce 500 from machine number 1, 500 from machine number 2. If you don't load the machines evenly, let's say you load it unevenly. Let's say you produce 800 from machine number 1, 200 from machine number 2. You know the consequence? What will happen when I load the machines in an uneven way? Come on, students. I really
It will take more time, sir.
It will take more time. When I load the machine unevenly, then my production time will be longer. Then what will happen? The customer has to wait. So unevenness will reduce your process cycle time. Reducing process cycle time will reduce the process lead time. Isn't it? When the process lead time is reduced, customer can quickly receive the delivery. At the same time, you will be super efficient and your operational cost will go down, right? So that's how the Mura is helping. You know what is Muri? Muri is overburdening your resource. What is overburdening? Let's say I have a crane. The crane capacity is 110. Can I use the crane to lift a load of 1.25 tons? Is it advisable? No, isn't it? Every resource has got a capacity. If you go beyond the capacity that is called overburdening. So overburdening will definitely invite failures. So lean is all about, eliminating Muda, Mura, and Muri. Do you all understand what is 3M? Come on, guys.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right. And okay. So any doubt?
Yes, sir.
Anything? Any doubts here?
Sir, will we be learning these tools, sir?
Yeah, very good. We will be learning, some of the tools we will be learning, but I'm giving, a broader picture. But definitely we will learn 7 waste and then, Kaizen and other things. Kaizen we'll learn right now. Good. And see, please, all of you understand, you are undergoing a program called a Green Belt Training Program. That means you are going to see, elevate your capability to solve problems. You are going to solve customers' problem. You are going to solve business problem. That means clients will believe that you are an expert, capable of solving the problem. People go to a medical doctor only if the doctor is good, isn't it? If the doctor is not competent enough, and none of us, will prefer taking treatment from the doctor, right? And so you need to participate very, very effectively, to actually grab all the points. So these are, some summary of what we learned yesterday and then today about Lean and Six Sigma. Six Sigma helps us improve the profit margin by reducing the defects, right? And defect means any ineffectiveness. Lean Six Sigma improves the cash flow by reducing the waste and defects. See, when I say Six Sigma, my focus is only defect reduction. When I say lean, my focus is only waste elimination. Inefficiency is waste, ineffectiveness is defect. When I combine lean and Six Sigma, my focus is on both. My focus is on waste as well as defect. It will not only improve the profit, it will also reduce the operational cost. As a result, cash flow will improve, right? And DFSS means design for Six Sigma. Six Sigma gives 2 methodology. One is DMAT, another one is DMAT-V, isn't it? So when you use DMAT-V for developing new products, the approach is called design for Six Sigma. You can use it to develop new products. In my opinion, all of you should master the DMAT. Why? Because your projects will be only for a duration of 3 to 4 months, at the maximum 6 months. You can only do a DMAT project and not a DFSS project, right? So don't focus or spend your time doing a DFSS project in a short time. That means new product development is generally 1 year or 2 year job. So when you want to complete a project within 3 to 4 months time, you can prefer using the methodology DMAIC. So quality is meeting customer requirements consistently. And quality is a function of customer requirement, process requirement, and then people requirement, right? People are nothing but the employees. And operational excellence. What do we understood about operational excellence? Operational excellence, doing better than the competition. There are 100 people here in the program, and who is going to become number 1? That means your approach is you wanted to be number 1 in the entire class. Same way, if everyone in the organization want to make the company a number 1 in terms of the market share, in terms of the product quality, in terms of the profit, then the approach is operational excellence. So Lean Six Sigma can be a beautiful operational excellence model that you can use to improve the quality, reduce the cost, as well as reduce the lead time to delivery, right? And lean tools, there are several lean tools we just now discussed: 7 waste, Kaizen, 5S, value stream mapping, 1-piece flow, OEE, overall equipment effectiveness, TPM, total productive maintenance, POKAYOG, and SMED. SMED means single minute exchange of dice, Kanban, 3M, standard work. These are all lean tools, right? And Six Sigma tools, Six Sigma as such do not have tools on its own. It actually borrows tools from various other approaches. So it is a collection of quality control tool, the 7QC tool, project management tools, problem solving tools, decision making tools, team management tools, communication tools, all of them. Any tool, if you find it useful in your project, then you can use it in your Six Sigma project. So use the appropriate tools and the appropriate methods to correct and prevent the failures so that your results are sustainable, predictable, and desirable, leading to a growth in profit. Right. So far is good. Any questions to me?